Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hello, I'm Christie.
In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fry tilapia or pritong tilapia. We need tilapia fish, rock salt, cooking oil, pan, turner. Make sure your fish are clean. You can ask your favorite vendor to do it for you. Put salt on both sides and inside tilapia fish. In a preheated pan, put your cooking oil. There are 3 ways to check if the cooking oil is ready for frying. Number 1. Check the cooking oil using a meat thermometer. Number 2. Check using your hand if the center of your palm feels hot. Number 3. Put something into hot oil. When you see small bubbles, then you're ready to fry. Now you are sure your cooking oil is very hot at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fried your tilapia. Fried your tilapia for 10 minutes on the first side. Then 12 minutes on the second side. And another 2 minutes back to the first side for crispier fish skin. Frying time may take more or fewer minutes, depends on the size of the fish. Repeat the process. How many fish to fry at the same time? It depends on the size of your pan. To know more about this and other recipe, you may follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Enjoy your fried tilapia with your favorite veggies and dipping sauce. There you have it, our finished product, fried tilapia or pritong tilapia.
If you are looking for food delivery service in Rizal, please visit Magical Food Services. The link is in the description down below. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.